What does it take to transform ordinary-looking rock into a fortune worth millions? The journey of a gold bar begins deep beneath the Earth's surface and ends as one of the world's most valuable assets. Let's discover how gold bars are made. Welcome to our deep dive into the creation of investment-grade gold bars. We'll follow the path from raw ore extraction to the final, shimmering product. This journey represents a remarkable transformation where geology meets engineering and craftsmanship. Gold starts its journey inside underground and open-pit mines, where heavy machinery begins the extraction process. Massive drilling machines and heavy excavators are deployed to remove tons of rock containing tiny, precious particles of gold. Once mined, the rock is transported to a processing plant, where enormous crushers break the material down into manageable sizes. The crushed ore is fed into massive grinding mills, pulverized into a fine powder to expose the hidden gold particles trapped within the stone. Specialized industrial processes are then used to separate the gold from the surrounding waste rock. Through filtration and chemical separation, we remove unwanted minerals, leaving behind a concentrated gold material ready for the refinery. The concentrated gold is moved to high-temperature furnaces, heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius to initiate purification. Impurities rise to the surface as slag and are carefully removed, resulting in a pool of extremely pure, glowing molten gold. Next, the molten gold is prepared for its final form in the casting process. The liquid metal is carefully poured into precision molds. As it slowly cools, it solidifies into the iconic rectangular shape we recognize. Before moving forward, each bar must be rigorously tested to verify its exact weight and internal purity. Advanced laboratory instruments, including X-ray fluorescence, ensure every single bar meets the strict international standards required for investment. Once approved, the bars are polished to a mirror finish and prepared for their final markings. Using robotic stamping presses, each bar is struck with its weight, purity, serial number, and the official refinery logo for unique identification. The finished products are now ready to leave the refinery and enter the global market. They are securely packaged and stored in high-security vaults, awaiting shipment to banks, investors, and bullion dealers worldwide. From deep underground to the safety of a vault, every gold bar represents an extraordinary journey of science, engineering, and human craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look behind the scenes. Subscribe for more How It's Made documentaries, exploring the world's most fascinating processes.